All right, so welcome back to my new video. In one of my videos, I created a content on maps. Okay, so I'm going to revisit that video or that lesson, and I'm going to add on top of it more ways of declaring maps. Okay, maps are just key value pairs. They are very similar to Python dictionaries. So let's jump right into the IDE, and I'm going to show you how we can declare maps using Golang. I'm already in the IDE, so I'm going to create a new project, and I'm going to call it Maps Part 2, okay? So inside my maps part 2, I'm going to create a Go file, which I'm going to call main. So first type of maps. Okay, so the first type of declaring maps, it's very simple. Okay, so we start with the keyword maps. And then we use a square bracket, and inside the square bracket we specify the type of our key. Okay, so our key is what? A string type, and then our value might be an integer. Okay, so once you do that, you can bring your curly braces. Then we pass in, let's say the name is dollars, and then maybe his salary is $1,000, and then we can say Biden, his salary is, let's say, $400,000, and maybe Trump, his salary is, let's say, $500,000, and then we can also use Mark Zuckerberg. We can also say his salary is $250,000 US. And then now we can assign this to the variable called Richmond. You can just call it Richmond. Okay. So this is supposed to be map, just map. Okay, so now we can print Richmond. Okay, so once we do this, let's run. So as you can see, we have our map: Biden, Dallas, Mark Zuckerberg, and then Trump. Okay, so this is the first way of declaring maps. So if we want to add a new value to Richmond, all we have to do is say Richmond, and then square brackets. Then we specify Richmond. We can choose Jeff Bezos, okay? And then we assign his salary. Let's say he's making $600,000 US. So now we can print Richmond. So if I run this, so you can see Jeff Bezos is added. All right. What if you want to delete? You want to delete a broke rich man. So all we have to do is to use delete function, and then we specify the map and then the key. Okay, so the map is what? Rich men. And then whoever we want to delete is maybe Dallas. We want to delete Dallas. And then let's print rich men once again. So if I run this, you see Dallas is out of the map. Okay, so this is how you can add and then delete keys to a map. All right, so the second type of declaring maps. So the second type is you are going to use make function. And this function is going to take a type and then a size. Okay, but in this case, we are not going to pass the size of our map. So all we need to pass in is what? Map. And then we specify the key. It's a string, it could be an integer. And then we specify the value. And then we can now pass this to wealth variable. Okay, so if we print this wealth variable, let's see what we're gonna get. Okay, so let's print this. You see, it's an empty map. All right, so it's an empty map. So let's see how we can add values to this. So all we can do is just like before, we're just gonna say wealth, the square bracket, and then we pass in, let's say, Jeff, and then we assign a value to it. Let's say he's now making $240,000. Then we pass in another one. We can call it Obama is making 150,000 US dollars. So now we can just print wealth. Okay. So as you can see, now we have a map of Jeff and Obama. So let's add one more. Who else can we add? Okay, let's just add Mark C. Then we say he's making 75,000 US dollars. Okay. Now we want to delete from this map. So we again use the same strategy. We pass the delete function and then we pass in wealth object, and then whoever we want to delete, maybe we want to delete Jeff. Okay. So that is it. So let's print this. So you can see Jeff is gone. All right. So I think that is all for now. If I find anything new on how we can delete or declare maps, update maps, I'll do another video. And yeah, so apart from that, nothing more extraordinary. So I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.